Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, I am Mohit and you watching Magic Coder. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. In this video, you gonna learn that how to install Visual Studio Code. If you are new, please like and press a bell icon so that you get a notification first on your channel. Before starting this video, keep a smile on your face. So let's get started with just open your favorite browser in your system and you search for Visual Studio Code, and the first link which appears in here is Visual Studio Code. We are gonna click on it, and once this website is open, straight away you able to see a green download button for Windows. We are just going to click on this green button, then we are see the executable file is around 60 megabyte. I am just waiting for downloading complete. So now that after completion, minimize the browser and just first of all gonna click on run button, and then I just agree the agreement, the term and condition. After you will show the location where you want to install Visual Studio Code on your operating system. On the next window, if you don't want to create a start menu option, just click on it. If you don't, then leave it and uncheck the option. The next, click on the next button, and there are some options you have to choose. You want to click desktop icon, just click on this option, and then there are other options. Here we gonna just check all the options as you see in the interface. Then click on next button, and after the click on the install button. Then here you see the installation process is start, and after that the completion of the installation process, you just click on finish and launch the Visual Studio Code.
We have need to download and install the C compiler. The best suited for our job is Mingw. To download it, copy this link. I have provided this link in the video description. Now open up your favorite web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Then paste the copied link into the search bar and hit enter. This is the third-party page for downloading Mingw for Windows operating system. The best part about this site is that it contains self-extracting archive for Mingw, which is super easy to install. Since this is a smaller in size and we don't need Git right now, we will use this one. Click on this Mingw download link. And now you can see our Mingw exe file is started downloading here. It's around 45 megabyte file at the time of recording. It will take some time to download, all depends on your internet connection speed. Our Mingw installer exe file is downloaded successfully. Now click on Show in folder. Now simply double click on this file. Here cancel all of this except C:/ and click on Extract button. Let me minimize all the windows so that we can focus on installation part. And it started the extraction and installation process. It will take some time to complete. Now we need to add path in environment variable so that we can access GCC in Visual Studio Code. For that, double click on this PC and open local disk C. Here open newly installed Mingw directory, then open bin folder and click on address bar, and finally copy this path. Now again go back to this PC and right click on this free space and select properties. Now click on advanced system settings. Here, click on Environment Variable button, select Path, then click on Edit button, and then click on New and paste Mingw path in the blank field, then click on OK button, OK again, and OK again. Good job! Now let's check is this working or not. For that, first let me close unnecessary windows. And now click on Windows button. Then type CMD. Then click on Command Prompt. Here type GCC space -- version and press Enter. And if you see something like this, then congratulations, you have successfully installed Mingw GCC Visual Studio Code for the first time. We have successfully installed Visual Studio Code on Windows 10.
Thank you so much. Hope you like this video.